Welcome to Getting Started with Xcelerator Academy. Your purchase of Siemens Xcelerator software includes access to a training membership called Getting Started with Xcelerator Academy. This includes modularized content in the form of videos and practice that is available to you anytime, anywhere, as you need to familiarize yourself with the product. The Getting Started library provides you basic training, and just like it sounds, it gets you started with using your product. Although this training helps you begin your journey with using your software, we recommend upgrading your membership as needed to fully realize the value of your Siemens Xcelerator purchase. To learn more about your options, you can select the Browse and Buy at the top of your page and navigate through the various offerings, or you can scroll down to the bottom of the page in Xcelerator Academy and click on More About Xcelerator Academy. But first, let's talk about how you access and utilize your current membership. Once logged in to Xcelerator Academy, you first want to select your Getting Started with Xcelerator Academy membership. From there, you will notice you are on the My Libraries page. This page will include all of the on-demand content that is associated with your membership. And this is always available towards the top of your screen for navigation purposes. Your membership is showing as Getting Started with Xcelerator Academy in the drop-down field on the left. The first thing you want to do is filter on the product you have a license for. In this demonstration, I will use Teamcenter X as an example. Under the track drop-down, you need to select the specific area of the product that you need. If it is in fact the same as the product, then select the similar track. If, however, you need a specific industry or a specific subcategory of a product, then you would filter on that here. And finally, you need to filter for your product's version. Once complete, you will see the appropriate content you need to get started with the basic functionality of the product. Before we open the content, I want to point out that on this page there is an option to rate your experience with navigating and using your library. Xcelerator Academy thoroughly values feedback and uses this function to make your experience even greater. Now, let's go on to the content. You will notice several white boxes as you scroll through the page. These are learning paths and show the chapters within. If you expand, you can see what you have in progress and what you have completed, and you can see the list of topics that you can click on and work through. If you're at the beginning of the learning path, a good place to start is the Welcome to Xcelerator Academy path, where it shows you an overview video and welcomes you to the learning path. Once you find a topic and where you want to start, you simply select the topic and a player is going to open. This is separate from your browser, so you can easily move back and forth between the two. You will notice on the left-hand side the same list of topics that you can see in your player. You can navigate from left to right at the top, and you can also select different chapters within that learning path. To play a topic, you simply play the player button and you work through the content. And finally, I want to point out, when you go back into your browser, you're able to provide feedback. You can add things to a quick list for easy access, or if you need to, go to the top and search for any topics that are relevant to you for easy and quick access. Now, it's your turn to try this out by following the simple steps outlined in this video and hitting play on your content. I hope you enjoy your experience with Xcelerator Academy.